In today's video, you'll learn more about using sign language within your classroom management routine. Welcome to Sign Tribe Academy. I'm Dr. Luann Sailors, the founder and instructor for Sign Tribe. We offer a comprehensive American Sign Language curriculum that covers various aspects of ASL, including vocabulary, conversational signing, sentence structure, and deaf culture. In this video, I'll be discussing how using sign language in your classroom management routine is beneficial for both you and your students. These tips can also be used within the homeschool setting. Classroom management refers to the various techniques and strategies used by teachers to create a positive and organized learning environment for their students. Using sign language can be beneficial for managing a classroom. Here are some ways in which sign language can be used to enhance classroom management. With communication, sign language can be used to communicate with students who are deaf or hard of hearing, making it easier to give instructions, feedback, and interact with them during class. Sign language can be used as a silent cue to get students' attention, especially when the classroom is noisy or when the teacher needs to redirect the class. Sign language can be used to teach and reinforce classroom rules, making it easier for students to understand and follow them. Sign language can be used to signal transitions between activities, such as moving from one subject to another or from individual work to group work. Sign language can be used to provide positive reinforcement and feedback to students, such as a thumbs up, a high five, which can boost their self-esteem and motivate them to keep up the good work. Overall, incorporating sign language into your classroom management can help to create a more inclusive and supporting learning environment for all students, whether you want to learn ASL to communicate with others just for fun, or to improve communication with your autistic child, or to strengthen your bond with someone. Sign Tribe Academy is the perfect solution. Be sure to check out Sign Tribe today, and thank you for stopping by.